Welcome to Jamcast. The Jamcast. Not just any Jamcast, it's the Jamcast. It's my Jamcast. Nobody else's Jamcast. Where I play music and yap. It's for the fuck of it. Been an interesting week, and by interesting, I mean stressful. Always stressful. Everyone wants money. But work wants me to do work for it. But they don't have work. So I have to just sit there. And that's boring. It's difficult. So, I'm going to sing some music instead now that it's the weekend. This is the wrong spot for the capo. Song's gonna fit the theme. Ooh. Fucked it up. May not have a fancy piece of paper on the wall. I'll try hanging a person of a name on a desk. I don't spend my time at work, sitting in a chair, and my fingernails are dirty, and my lower back is sore. Been on my feet for the whole time today. I'm good, 'cause I've got bills to pay, but I wouldn't have it any other way. This is my life, this is what I do, 'cause I'm in a factory line. I'm spending time on the line. Just a working machine. Blue collar for life. Blue collar for life. Sorry, a little stoned there. I was going high, my work is getting done. I could spend all my time playing solitaire online. I wish I had the luxury of an ergonomic chair. I'm hiding on the floor, and there's sweat in my hair, and I'm living a factory life. I'm spending time on the line. I'm just a working machine. Blue collar for life. I'm blue collar for life. I work so hard for my money, even though it's gone as fast as it goes. My body's broken and beat, yet I still perform miraculously, 'cause I'm within the factory life. I'm spending time on the line. I'm just a working machine. I'm blue collar for life. 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 Well, anyways, it's warm up. I haven't played it all today yet, so. Yeah, make an excuses. Don't make excuses for your singing, Danny. You're lovely. Art is art. I just shared a fucking meme about not doing exactly what I just did. Sure. Since I'm on this capo. Well, I'm here. This one's called By a Thread. The last one was called you probably guessed it, Blue Collar for Life. This one's called By a Thread. You wouldn't have guessed this title based on the contents of the song. Let's make sure this is on properly. I heard some funny things during that last song. There we go. Even though I live my life with intentions not to bother life, I still love to find myself at odds with everyone. Even though I tell myself my dialogue is past the test, I still feel like a fool. Now revising what I say. Don't you worry, don't you wonder. My feet are touching bottom, my head standing in deep water, but there's nowhere else to go. So don't let go. I'm just hanging by a thread. I'm just hold on tight. I can feel it pulling through. Happy and better, you'll soon see. Taking control, achieving goals. I'm making progress towards this road, common goals. You'll soon see I'm not the man that I was born to be. I'm just a man who is forging his identity. Even though I slip by times and fall for 32, it doesn't mean that I've given up on all my goals. It just means my greatest foe has risen up to challenge me. Excuse me while I vanquish you once again. And will you worry, will you wonder? My feet are touching bottom, my head standing in deep water. There's nowhere else to go, so don't let go. I'll just hang my head, or just hold on tight. I can feel it rolling through. Hanging better, you'll soon see. Taking control, achieving goals. I'm making progress towards this world's common goals. You'll soon see I'm not the man that I was born to be. I'm just a man who is forging his identity. Even though I slip by times and fall for getting too low, doesn't mean that I've given up on all my goals. Just means the greatest foe has risen up to challenge me. Excuse me when I vanquish you once again. Lying stone, no really recently. Oh yes, and now I'm feeling it deep within my bones. It's nice when it actually works good. Sometimes you get stuff and it's like, nope. This stuff. Ooh. Oh, I drank. I had also the weed infused beverage as well. One of those little cans, 10 milligram. That's what I'm feeling. And then I smoked an indica. How am I not going to bed? Because indicas and sativas don't change how they affect me. I can get whichever's cheaper. And making funny voices so clearly it affects me in ways that I didn't realize it would. Sometimes I write things and forget that I did. And I come across them, I don't know, they're just words. Used to be just like sunrise. Used to be just like the ocean breeze. Used to be the best damn feeling in your presence. Oh God, I was hurting. Oh, no wonder I've never come back to it, because it's like, yeah. Let's do this one. Sorry, I guess I should have been talking while I was looking for a song. Maybe next time I do this, I should ahead of time just pick out songs and just the order, so I'm not like doing dead time in the recording. I guess I could edit out those too, but it wouldn't be a Jamcast. It would be jam video. I guess jams aren't prepared necessarily, but I mean, I could at least put 20 songs that I can just play in order. I could just pick them randomly. Do the picking part earlier. You know what I mean? Yeah. Anyways, that's for me to think about on my own, not discuss in the video that I'm talking. Need to clear the throat for this one. Take the glasses. Gotta keep my hair in place. Part of me has this idea of growing my hair out long again, and the last couple days, a lot of things have been happening that remind me why I want to get a haircut. I definitely need to get a haircut. Just what I did right there, yeah. Okay, hair, remember. Plus that mark on my nose. You can see it in the camera. My glasses fall off my face because they're patched together. Look at this. I got money from work for glasses, but you know the stupid thing is you gotta pay for them first and then get reimbursed later. And it's like $300 for those kind of safety glasses for work, prescription safety glasses. So yeah, I get the money back. I gotta have the money in the first place, and and my landlord's not gonna be like, oh yeah, I'll wait for money to come back from your glasses. No, I gotta pay my fucking rent. So it's like, glasses were like $50, that'd be a little different story, but glasses are so fucking expensive, especially for my time that I need for work. So yeah, I don't know. I hope the mic's picking up my voice because I keep trailing off because I'm stoned. Everything was clear and white. Take long though for the pressure to start. Squeeze all the line right out. All I could do was watch as it rolled over me. Held my breath until the very, very end. But my soul is buoyant and I fall into the top with my feet on solid ground. I watch me walking on the shores of the darkness, just watching for the time to come in. And now and then I feel my feet getting wet, and I wonder if now is the end. I wonder if now is the end. describe. Life's too much power for my weak state, not too much. I lived my life in too dark tattered rooms. Now all I could do was watch as it rolled over me. Held my breath until the very, very end. But my soul was buoyant and I floated to the top. Put my feet on solid ground. Lights me walking on the shores of the darkness, just watching for the tide to come in. Every now and then I feel my feet getting wet, and I wonder if now is the end. I wonder if now is the end. That song, unsurprisingly, is called Is Now the End? Okay, now back to the selection process. Want me to talk about my decision, what I'm going to do next time for that again? The only problem is I need them to see. So this is, see, another reason I need a haircut. My hat will stay on better. I don't need the hat, but it'll also stay on better. Irony. Came along down to the gap on number 4. Well, I thought, well, I say, well, I will, I will, give myself respect, my bank account. Chasing down the dragon of a time, good time, I hate, but now something shiny over there. Waiting over there before I finish over here. I want to do this, I want to do that. 1,000 million hundred thoughts that never take root. It's just a mess outside, the thoughts are running all around. I used to have it locked away. Someone started a jailbreak. Beast I know not how to slay. That's why I locked the square away. Now they're free to roam, climb. Raptors are like slaughtered blood. And now, walking through the aftermath. Now, I'm running down destruction's path. Now, I'm chasing down the beast set free. I knew I should have just mind my feet. Will I be, will I do? Tiny little questions that I asked out loud. I listened, I listened, I should have listened to the voices in my head. But I thought I had no choice. But in the past, I opened me. I should have been down on my own day. But I know damn well I couldn't do a thing. It was a mess outside, the thoughts were running all around. I thought I had locked away. Believed it was a true jailbreak. Peace I now know how to slay. I never should have kept at bay. Now my thoughts are free and clear. In my need and holding mine. And now, strutting through the aftermath. Now, I'm cleaning up destruction's path. Now, living with the beast set free. I thought a life like this could never be. Ooh, yeah. That was a song called And Now. Is that the theme of the songs I'm picking? Songs that are named after the words that are in the song, you know? I don't know why I'm making that weird fucking voice. I'm just stoned. Sometimes I just articulate. My mouth gets dry and my teeth come out. I guess smoking weed will do that. Dry mouth. I've got the driest mouth in town. Nobody's mouth is drier than mine. The driest mouth in town. Nobody's mouth is drier than mine. I don't need my glasses for this one. I need an explanation. Started as a rumble, tiny and shake, and slowly mutated into a giant quake. Tiny little tremor grew to tectonic proportions that led me to experience scary mental contortions. Rash and harsh is how they view me. My pain made me stop right out the real me. I was struck down to pay the price. Cut off from those who were truly nice. Now I'm drowning in the water of forefathers' blasphemous. Some walking through the wake of generations of Wisconsin fiends. Run into the ground, I never thought that they had this day. Sent to make me join the ranks, pull me to the sadness lakes. I'm guilty as charged. Not human being like all others. I've done things I wish I could erase. I beat myself up out of eternity instead of moving forward with my future of those deeds. Takes the stray thoughts start me on down the crazy train of thoughts that send fears a lot. I tell myself that I am in jealousy. Even now, these are speeds that crazy can be. Battles with my past, strangely in my skull. I still have to make moves inside me down. Basking of chaos that I keep contained. I am trudging through the mud that should just abstain. But I'm drowning in the water from my forefathers' past mistakes. I'm walking through the wake of generations of clumsy fakes. I'm running to the ground by me. Thought that they'd had mistakes, but they need to make me join the ranks. Throw me to the endless lakes. I'm guilty as charged. Not human being like all others. I've done things I wish I could erase from time to beat myself up out of eternity. Instead I'll move forward, my future close days. Guilty as charged. I'm not human being like all others. I've done things I wish I could erase from time to beat myself up for all of eternity. Instead I'll move forward with my future of those deeds. I don't know what that sounds like in the camera. Sounds okay to my ear, but I guess we'll find out. No, I won't, actually, because I just, after this, I just go to YouTube and I go upload. Because that's the whole idea of it. Jamcast. It's just an off-the-cuff jam session. So that song was called Guilty as Charged. I think the what it's about is kind of evident, you know. And I don't want to get into it. I just like the song. This one too, I won't be getting into. But I also like it. You know, you write songs for a reason in a season, and then you grow from it, and you look back at what you were writing about. It's like you get cringe at your past actions. If you're not cringing at your past, you're not growing, I guess. So these sometimes I'll go to certain songs and it'll just remind me some of the cringe shit I did. And this just happens to be more recent. Anyhow, you gotta laugh at yourself or you repeat your mistakes. I'm waiting for your rain. I wish it was nothing. I'm feeling my pain. Wanna feel what they feel. I wanna know I'm still here. I wish that I could appear like invention. If I could just let go, I would be right now. Not my body dry. I cannot let go. I would get to be here more. Running my mouth while they think I'm high. Pass up myself and I think it's a bit away. It's just a matter of time. I think I'll just play. I was literally trying to rewrite history instead of going into my future. I can write my own destiny now. It's time to tell myself I'm losing. Time to tell myself I'm new stories. Time to tell myself I'm new tales. Time to tell myself a brand new story. No love is necessary. Songs have completely yes. I don't know how to transition back. So I just fucking do it. Here comes the words now. They're actually supposed to be in the song. Tell myself. No, they don't. Apparently not. Tell myself to say one thing. I think all up this well. Practice love. This but soon I'll fall sooner. Get everything. Trying all out. So I just can't satisfy. It's just time to myself. If I could just let go, I wouldn't be right now. Holding my body dry. But I cannot let go. I can't be here more. Holding my mouth while they think I'm high. Wanna press up my song. Pick TV away. It's just a matter of time. I'm just playing. I was literally trying to rewrite history instead, pulling into my future, acting like my whole destiny now. It's time to tell myself all new tales. I'm to tell myself brand new stories. I'm to tell myself all new tales. It's time to tell myself a brand new story. I'm to tell myself all new tales and a brand new story. Yeah, I actually improv somewhat successfully at the end there. The last little tiny tidbit. I don't know. Did I though? I think so, yes. I'm gonna say I keep seeing this hair. There it is. Got it. Get in there. I have my camera face back, so because I like to try to make sure I'm staying in view the whole time. Because I hate to do a whole fucking half-hour recording and be like here. Hi guys, how's it going? Yeah, look at my elbow going. Let's do this one. Ooh. get out of there. That's not it at all. Seen this video on this was the second time I watched it, but I watch it through every time I see it. It's this guy who's on this talent show and he's doing this thing. It's like he's doing, but then he's like he's slapping and I'm not even describing it at all. Yeah, he's doing like, you know, it's fucking amazing. Like I watched it. I'm just like, I don't know. Maybe one of these times I should just watch it over and over, see what he's doing, see if there's anything I can replicate and add to my shit. I don't know. I ain't that kind of a guitar player. I just taught myself and I make it all up. This is how it goes. I have fun. That's the point. That's the whole point of music. I just like to make noise. As you can tell, by the way, I'm listening to the sound of my own voice, talking, all instead of singing the song. Awesome. Okay. This song I wrote years ago. This is probably the first song I wrote where I started being like, hey, I'm writing songs that I want to sing in public. Takes you by surprise, don't see it coming. Leaves you from the darkness so mine. Follows you around, it's like a second shadow. It's actually a curse on you. You are a troubled one, everything you touch. Leave away broken things, but you just don't see it yet. You are a troubled one, with everything you do. Erase the pain, but only needs some more. Only making it worse. Make the same mistakes made yesterday. Tripping over things no one sees. Look out! No matter what you try, you have the best intentions. You still mess everything up. You are a troubled one, with everything you do. Running race to ease the pain, but it only makes it worse. You are a troubled one, everything you do. There are broken names, but you still make it through. You're still making it through. Haven't killed anyone yet, so there's still hope for you. Messed up a couple times in there. I got distracted thinking about other things when I was playing the songs. Because songs that I know really well, I fuck up more because I don't have to think as much about them, so it ends up becoming room for other thoughts to happen while I'm singing the song. So I'm like just singing the song, and I'm starting to think about this other time I sang the song, and blah blah blah. I'm thinking this past conversations all the time. I'm like, wait, I'm playing a song here, and then I'm like, oh yeah, where am I? Ah, you know, it happens. Like I get lost, which is kind of not very good when you're like the only person in your own band. It's just funny. Look there, am I actually looking at the camera? Yeah, I've been looking at myself, thinking I'm looking at the camera. but I'm actually staring off into space, talking to you. Wow. Here we go. Look at that. I'm looking into your eyes. Eye contact. Yeah, let's do this. On the topic of, see if I can do this. Ooh, get on there, properly, Kappa. Okay, I'm probably gonna do this song and then call it quits because my voice is going. I can feel it, and I don't want to wreck my voice completely. And I think 40 minutes is not too bad of a length for Jamcast. 45 minutes. I don't want to. I mean, I never want to go over an hour, but I see. You know. Anyways, distracted. I don't know what that fucking move was. I was there on the fire in the dark. I listened to his tales and the giant grain of sand. Entertained his conquered maybe justifications. It was toxic in the end. I had up every moment. He was my favorite person in the world, even though he let me down in every way imaginable. I ignored that, saw only what I wanted. I built up to an idol, just like castles in my mind. It was a shot, it was a flash. I should have turned and run, but I fell in, I jumped in. Oh fucking God, now I'm swimming around. On the couch across the living room, he told me it was time he got fired from work. He got high, they cut him in hands, and he framed it like he did it to the bad outlines. He acted like he was such a hero for letting himself descend in the room. He led me to believe that to suffer was the noblest thing that a human could do. It was a sham, it was a flat. I should have turned and run, but I fell in, I jumped in. But I'm glad I'm swimming around. Thought my life in it now. For a long time I'll be around. Better off waiting for you now. It made a blast so good with the sound. Yeah, and then so did I too, didn't I? But not anymore. As much. Anyways, it's been nice singing for you. Ugh. And, ouch. It wouldn't be a proper Jamcast if I didn't include a little shot. Whoops, that's gonna cover the camera. Oh dear. Here, let's do it this way. There we go. The kitty. Say hello to the camera, kitty. Okay. Say hello. Yeah. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Hey. You're not gonna meow again, are you? Okay, that's been the Jamcast. And I've been Smelnick, aka Danny. I've been your wonderful guitarist, and oh god, I need to shave. Okay, I'm just wasting time until this video hits 40 minutes exactly.